Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and in this quick analysis, I'll quickly be breaking down raw price action reading on good analysis. On Sunday night, I was able to run the market analysis on gold about the price action reading, the directions of the market, what gold is likely to do, and as a result of that, it plays out. This says side liquidity. This is exactly what happened in 1 hour time frame. And as at right now, this is 4 hour time frame. You have to understand something. When it comes to raw price action reading, market is the same. Head and shoulder chart patterns in 15 minutes is still the same head and shoulder chart pattern in 1 hour. Head and shoulder chart patterns in 1 hour will still try to reflect itself in daily time frame in 4 hour time frame because raw price action reading is the granddaddy of all. If you can understand the raw price action reading before it becomes obvious, you can have an idea, and your goal as a trader is the ability to predict the movement of the market, to have inclination of what market is about to do before it becomes obvious. Because if market is already moving and you are trying to enter, at that time it's already late. Because once market started moving and you are now trying to find the right entry setup, most of the time you're already in a trap market because you will not find a proper and perfect place to enter again. Now, this is good analysis on 4 hours, and I quickly want to do raw market structure and basic market recap. For example, this previous candle now. This is massive shooting star. Yes, this is shooting star in 4 hour candle. This second one also is already forming shooting star. So if this second candle also end as bearish candle, that is two shooting star. That's number one. Number two, this is complete head and shoulder chart pattern. And chart patterns always work. Just that sometimes it is not 100% guaranteed. But when you see head and shoulder, when you see chart pattern, take attention. Whenever you see a chart pattern, be sensitive. Now, I quickly bring out my indicator to see what is happening in the market. And as I was just saying now, and I discovered that market has already formed. This is pure raw price action reading. Now, are you seeing this now? This is pure head and shoulder chart pattern. But when this market will move, we don't know. And since this is the second shoulder, so it means that if this head and shoulder, if market respect this head and shoulder chart pattern, if market respect this head and shoulder chart pattern, which is loading right now in 4 hour time frame, it simply means that gold is about to do massive reversal. Yes, head and shoulder chart patterns is not a continuation, it's a reversal pattern. It means that from sell side liquidity is about to enter buy, or from buy to sell. But right now, market is about to change direction from buying side to selling side. And what are the best way to enter this market? The best way to enter this market based on law of head and shoulder chart pattern is to wait for this candle to break this neckline. That is number one. Break it. That is, I'll be expecting something like this. Market come to this key level, then retest, then now drop. That is a proper textbook kind of entry. But if you're a sharp person or you're a sharp trader that is looking for perfect entry setup, now once you plot the key levels and you see head and shoulder chart patterns immediately, the next thing is find the proper entry. And if it's about proper entry, let's quickly go to 1 hour time frame. Yes. Another easiest way to find proper entry is to bring out our trend line, and this is not a perfect entry because one of the things we are running for is market manipulation. Yes, because you have to be very, very careful. very, very careful because market can decide to do anything from here. Now, if you are paying attention, you will discover something. Apart from the previous candle in 4 hour doing shooting, as in showing massive shooting star, in 1 hour, this candlestick is doing complete consolidation. This is complete market consolidation because from here, from this candle, which is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, for complete almost 8 hours now, this market has been consolidating. And what does that mean? It means two things. It's either the market is about to consolidate to form a continuation chart patterns or consolidate for reversal pattern. Yes. And if this is pure inverse head and shoulder chart patterns, because the textbook one is always perfect, but when it comes to life analysis, it's not always perfect. But we know that this is pure head and shoulder chart pattern. Yes. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And market is trying as much as possible to pull back now. So, and if that is the case, it means that we must try as much as possible to see what market is doing. But in order to play safe, the best thing is not to enter in 1 hour time frame because avoid market manipulation is extremely important. You don't need to be in an hurry. So just bring out your key level. Now, this is the left shoulder, this is the neckline, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. So what we'll be waiting for is for market to come to this key level. So we'll be waiting for something like this. Since market has been doing higher high, higher low, high. Now market, so we'll be waiting for market to pull something like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then instead of higher low, that is when you will know that market structure has changed. The market broke the law of Wyckoff analysis here. Instead of higher high, higher low, market begins to consolidate. And that consolidation, so if this head and shoulder chart patterns will be respected now, so I'll be expecting something like now. You can see that there is a form of resistance here. So I'll be expecting market to come to this key level, resist it, come to this key level, then you can now hold as much as possible to the moon, so to say. Because when I say to the moon, this is the massive movement. This is 4 hour time frame. So which means that market can decide to come to this key level, to somewhere around here, which is a psychological key level. There are many psychological key levels here, but the major ones is market can, so it means that we can take profit here, here, and here, which is each one of them are valid point of profit exit. Yes. So that is raw price action reading for you guys. You don't need to be a genius to find out how markets will do, but you must be extremely patient. You must be extremely patient. But if you are a sniper, you can find your entry here. But I'm a swing trader and I love massive movement. I love when market more opportunity to decide to find because market is funny. You can decide to say, okay, no, I can't wait from here to here is too much. Let me find a perfect entry in 1 hour, something around there. And market is crazy. Market can decide to, you know, to break here and move up. So you'll be thinking that okay, market, yes, markets cannot rebound. No. Because market also knew that a lot of traders will be coming here to place their stop loss around here. So market can decide to play prank on us and break this key level, come to this level, then now come back again, retest here before it drop. So, and that's one of the reasons why you must not be clicking buying and selling every time. But if you are a scalper, this is a perfect entry for you guys because it means that you are trying to enter the market as much as possible at any point. And in 1 hour, there is already consolidation. Market is already consolidating at this key level. In 4 hour time frame, the previous one is already a shooting star, while the second one is also selling pressure. So with these two psychological key level and with our chart patterns, which is already head and shoulder chart pattern, so then it simply means that market is about to drop massively in 4 hours. But anything can still happen in the market space. We all know this is good. And apart from that, we are not a market maker. Yes, because if we are a market maker, it simply means that market is subjected to manipulation. And since market cannot be subjected to market manipulation because it's a global market, yes, this is a pure global market. It's not in the pocket of a single trader. So you need to be extremely, extremely patient to allow market to run its own course. So this is raw price action reading for you guys. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, please click the subscribe button if you like what you saw. If you have any questions, drop your comments below and I will attend to it as much as possible. Thank you for watching to the end. Till I come your way again next time.